Hey everybody, my name is Zach Murray. A little bit about me. I was born and raised in Chanute, Kansas. Um, I have a wife. We've been married for almost 10 years now. We have a daughter who is 4 years old. She just turned 4 last week. Um, College-wise, went to Pitt State. Got my bachelor's and then also got my master's at Pitt State, and then I'm going through this certification program here to be an administrator. Work-wise, I worked 1 year at our co-op. It's actually based out of Humboldt, which is 10 miles north of Chanute. I covered, I think, 8 districts, just working with kids with special needs and PE. It was an awesome experience, helped me a ton for even what I do now, and I'm going into my 6th year of being an elementary teacher here at Chanute Elementary School. Coaching, I am our head middle school football coach. I am our head 7th grade basketball coach and our head varsity baseball coach at the high school. School community relations, I think, are very important. I think it's vital to get your community and your school on the same page and excited, the community excited about what's going on in the school. I think it's important to have events, fundraisers, whatever it is, that get the community involved, get them behind your sports teams, your whatever's going on there, whatever, group is raising money or whatever group's throwing the event for whatever reason it is. I think it's important to get your community backing your school and believing in what you guys are doing. That will hopefully go a long ways in getting their support, when we need donations or resources or whatever. It's nice to have people in your corner like that. Improving communication. I feel like I communicate with my students pretty well. Obviously, everybody has those bad days where they're not in the best of moods, and I need to be better about that, especially with, coaching that can leak over and kind of affect my mood. And I'm bad about that, and I need to get a lot better. So I think in regards to improving communication with students, I'd need to be more positive and be able to forget about things that, they had nothing to do with. Improving communication with staff and administration and everything like that. I think I just need to be more open with how I feel about everybody else's opinions. I need to just like I want people to hear my opinion, I need to accept everyone else's opinion, see it from their point of view. I need to be better about saying what's on my mind rather than just sitting on it and then telling a coworker later, I wish I would have said this. And then again, just being positive. That helps a ton when you're talking to people. If you're negative or have bad body language, or no matter what they say, you're giving them a bad reaction, that doesn't end up, making a real positive conversation. Not a lot gets taken from that. So I would say being open and being positive are the two biggest things that I need to do with regards to communicating with other adults. And then being able to forget things or flush things that are out of my students' control during the school day. And that does it for my Module 1. I'm excited to work with everybody in this class and learn as much as we can. Good luck to everybody.